Hello guys, and welcome to my video. So I bought this new monitor from Acer. So it is a 24-inch EK251Q, specified as a 144 refresh rate, EK251Q P6BI. So it is a 144 refresh rate. It's not freezing certified something, so I don't think it is freezing, but it really can do 144 refresh rate. Yes, via HDMI, because it doesn't have a display port. Yep, take a look at that. 144 refresh rate. It doesn't have a display port. So this means that it is not a FreeSync monitor, but it runs on a high refresh rate. So I tried it once. It's very good. It's a very good monitor, and it doesn't have any flickering. Nice, very crisp, very detailed. So yeah, it's very, and also it's very cheap. Nice.